Hi guys, it's Jero from Bull Bitcoin. Today let's discuss what's the best moment to do Bitcoin on-chain transactions without overpaying on fees. As we saw it over the last year, Bitcoin fees can literally spike overnight. This could be caused by a sudden increase of Bitcoin users, ordinal gamblers doing a mint and spamming the network, or simply big custodial exchanges doing internal transactions. For example, at the moment, it's around 25 sats per VByte to get included in the next block. But is this a good bang for your buck? Let's have a look at the Bull Bitcoin fee multiple. As we can see, over the last year, the average transaction fees has been over 45 sats per VByte. So fees have been higher than they are currently 59% of the time last year. And over the last 30 days, fees has been 32 sats per VByte on average. So they've been higher 47% of the time this month. So considering the past data, at 27 sats per VByte right now, you can consider that fees are okay. But if you're not in a rush, you'd rather set up lower fees, and it will probably get included in a block within the 24 hours. As we can see, over the last 2 hours, there were lots of transactions that went through with below 20 sats per VByte fees. So I reckon if you set up 18 sats per VByte or 16 sats per VByte, there is high chances they're gonna go through within the next 24 hours. Of course, just like Bitcoin price, it's impossible to time the market on fees. But you can use the fee multiple to know if we are currently in a fee dip or in a fee spike regarding historical data. So if you're not in a hurry, I wouldn't recommend making on-chain transaction if the fee multiple is above 1. The way it works is pretty simple. It divides the current fee rate by its moving average. So it's similar to the Mayer multiple, but it's for fees instead of prices. So you may be asking yourself the question, why do we have two fee multiples? The only difference in between those two is the time frame for which the fee moving average is calculated. One is over a month and one is over a year. If the value is higher for 365 days and lower for 30 days, it means that the fees are still higher relative to the past year, but there is a dip in the fees compared to the last month. To conclude, let's keep in mind that no one can predict if fees are going to go up or down in the near future. It's a little bit of a gamble, and the past data can help you make a decision, assess risks, but it's not a magic tool. Hope you guys understand the Bull Bitcoin fee multiple. Feel free to ask questions in our Telegram group if needed, and I'll see you around.